Good evening. Today topic structure of building. What are the structure of building? Actually, structure of building is a unit, but in the unit other is door frame. The topic. There are different topics are there. Door frame, the window, floor, roof, staircase, ceiling, partition. Total 8 topics are there. Now we discuss as door frame, door and door frame. Door, the parts of door and the door frame. Casing frame, threshold, hinges, door में lock rail से second mullion से bottom rail, lock set, lock style, panels, first mullion, top rail. These are parts of door and the door frame. It's a types of doors. The door is a moving structure used to block off and allow access to an entrance to or within an enclosed space, such as a building. It's a moving door is a moving part to block off, बंद करने के लिए और खोलने के लिए. For entrance door. Next types of doors. Ledged door, ledged and framed door, ledged braced and framed door, framed and paneled door, ledged and braced door, glazed or sash door, flush door. Then ledged door, which is used for where narrow opening are required to appearance and strength are not important. Appearance strength is not important, but we want to say narrow. That is a narrow opening. We want to close the way. We can use a ledged door. A simple door. The door is fixed with T hinges. The parts ledged and battened. It's actually planks. It is a batten. Size 100 millimeter to 200 millimeter. Width 25 millimeter to 30 millimeter is thickness. There is a ledge size. The batten size 100 millimeter to 150 millimeter width and 20 millimeter to 30 millimeter is thickness. A ledged door. Where narrow opening. Okay. Next, ledged and framed door. These doors are modified and differ from ledged door. It is used for required to good and stronger appearance. That is a frame का बात उसका ledged. The frame बनाया. Size of the style है 100 millimeter wide and 40 millimeter thickness. पहले वाला सीधा ओनली स्ट्रिप से पीछे एक पैटर्न लगा दिया, बट ये वाला फ्रेम उसके बाद पीछे से बना. दिस इज कॉल्ड ledged braced and framed door. इसमें फ्रेम है, ledged एंड पीछे सपोर्ट है. It is used to increase more strength, good appearance, more durability is required. Durability easily closing and opening easily. Size of the brace 35 millimeter to 45 millimeter width. It is used to increase more strength, good appearance, and more durability. Next, framed and paneled door. के frame है, बीच में एक panel. This is the common type of door for use in all kinds of buildings. Size of the style thickness 30 millimeter to 40 millimeter. Size of the panel thickness 20 millimeter. But door का size length width according to requirement. Next, ledged and braced door. It is used where the wide opening. ज़्यादा चौड़ाई है तो वहाँ पे ये वाला ध्यान यूज करना चाहिए. Wide opening are required. The inclined member called brace are provided to give more strength. Size of the brace 100 millimeter to 150 millimeter width, 25 millimeter to 35 millimeter thickness. This is a brace. Next, the glazed or shattered door. Glazed means half glass, half panel is there. Or shattered door means fully panel is there. Glazed or shattered door. It is provided where the additional light is required. It is provided where the additional light is required to be received to the room through the door. Residential is a residential house, office, hospital, school, colleges, showrooms, and that. Ratio of the glass portion to panel portion 2:1. Actually, glazed 2 part, 1 part panel. The flash door. It consists of framework with tiles, rails, and it covered with plywood. Actually, it's a top rail, bottom rail, it's a tiles. Say beach wala se pura battens are there. Say checked battens are there और battens से साथ जोड़ने वाला मिल जाएगा और थोड़ा gap this type of gap is there. That is also it is covered with plywood. Use as required to good appearance, construction strength and the durability. Thickness 25 millimeter to 40 millimeter. Plus door. Doors are now. Next is lowered door. This type of door or shutters are provided with lower. This door allows free air circulation provided at the time of door is closed. After closing the door, इससे दो फीट के बीच में एक small gap is there. So for air circulation. The sliding door. This type of door are opened like a sliding with the help of runner and a guide rail. Used at entrance of the groom or shed or shop and showroom. This is the parts of sliding doors. जैसे ऊपर is a rod, is a pulley is there, it's a holder, a door holder. This is a part of a sliding door. It's a swing door. The swing doors are provided with special hinge called as a double action swing hinge. Double action swing hinge. A peep hole is placed at the high level for avoiding accident to the door user. The sound is there. And the hole is there. He says there are two types of swing door. Single side opening or double side opening. Double side in pull or push action is there, or only push or only pull is there. The different hydraulic closer are there. The door. Next window. Window. It's the parts of window. The window frame, that is the head, glass, glass, jamb, sill, rails, sides, grill. These are parts of the windows. Windows are used to get the light and air to the room through it. Windows are used to get the light and air. Different types of windows are used based on the nature of shutter movement. Based on the nature and shutter movements also. Okay? Different types of windows. What are that? Say casement window. These are common type of windows used in building construction. It is fully glazed, partly glazed or unglazed. So fully glazed है, partly glazed means आधा wooden piece आधा glass piece और आधा unglazed. The pivoted window. Pivoted window is a shutter can be swing or rotate either vertically or horizontally round the pivot. Pivot hinges are using here. This used is in hospital, office, and a residential house. इसे pivoted hinges. One type ऐसा है, दोनों टाइप. Sliding windows. These windows are open in sliding. The shutter slides on either horizontally or vertically on the roller bearing. It is used in banks, office counter, buses, and trains. क्या doors से इसे vertically sliding or horizontal means either horizontal sliding. इसके glass or sash window. In these windows are the panels are fully glazed. Sashes are riveted to receive the glass panel. इससे rivet is there for heating glass. Lowered windows. The windows allows free circulation of air to the room when it is closed. The inclination of angle of lowers is fixed in 45 degrees. The fixed 45 degree strips are there. That is called the. This is a two type of permanent lowered is there, and the lowered only we can adjust opening and closing. And a bay window. These windows project outside the external wall of the room. These windows project. These windows project outside the external wall of a room. The projection may be rectangular, square, circular, triangular, and polygonal on any shape. This is actually this is called external position. Projection is there. You see different type of rectangular type, square type, circular. Circular is a circular, triangular, polygonal. The corner window. These windows are provided at the corner of a room of the building. They have two faces in two perpendicular directions. Two faces and two perpendicular directions. This is called the corner windows. Dormer windows. These are vertical windows and they are provided on a sloping roof of a building. Again, this is provided on a sloping roof. It is called a dormer window. These are gives very good appearance of the building. It is called a dormer. These are vertical windows and they are provided on a sloping roof of building. This is skylight windows. It is provided on the sloping surface of pitched roof. It is project above the top sloping surface of a roof. It is called skylight windows. Clear story window. It is used where if the room has a greater ceiling height than the surrounding room. The window shutters can be opened or closed by the means of two cord shutters. This is called a clerestory window. Understand? This is for two cord by open or close perspective with the help of a rope. It is necessary to provide a suitable rain shade over the window. Rain shade is necessary. बारिश के टाइम में इसमें पानी अंदर नहीं मत आना चाहिए ना इससे. And lanterns window. These windows are fixed on the flat roof, but this one slope roof and another one dormer also slope roof, but it's a flat. These windows are fixed on the flat roof of the building. These are square or rectangular or circular in shape. It is project above the roof level. These windows admit light either through faces or inclined faces. They actually straight face or inclined face. Double hung window. These windows consist of a frame and a pair of shutters. The shutters are arranged one above the other. Its chain or cord is fixed to the stile. The pulley are fixed to the frame. When the weight is pulled, the shutter opens to the required extension. कितना होना चाहिए? Pulley 1/4 or half or 3/4 open करने के लिए. This is double hung window. Gable window. The gable window or vertical window which are provided at the gable end of the pitched roof. Ventilator. Ventilator are similar to the window but smaller in size. Ventilators are similar to the window but smaller in size. The ventilators are fixed in more height than the window. Generally, is fixed about 25 centimeters to 50 centimeters below the roof level. Okay, roof level से नीचे तो 50 millimeter or 500 millimeter below the roof level. और generally खिड़की का ऊपर है. मैक्सिमम में एक्चुअली खिड़की का ऊपर लगा रहे पहले पुराना वाला. तो अभी पूरा ओनली बाथरूम और सम स्टोर में यही वाला यूज कर. नेक्स्ट फ्लोर. Wooden floor. Actually, wooden floor are used in hills area. Okay, in wooden flooring, construction that timber is only used as a flooring material. So, what is the flooring material? Wood is a flooring material. Wood and wall or paneling, that is for paneling or wood. The material is wood. The wooden floor is not much used in residential buildings. It is one of the costlier flooring. Actually, different costly wood is there and a cheap wood is there. Okay. To subdivide the portion between basement and roof level, the solid construction. To subdivide the portion between the basement and the roof level. Actually, basement is a it's a ucha according to requirement. The basement or ground floor used in auditorium to perform dance and drama are center distance 1 meter to 1.5 meter. Types of wooden floor: single joist wooden floor, double joist wooden floor, framed or triple joist wooden floor. These are three types are there. Single joist wooden floor. Simple type floor, one joist is used. Center distance 30 centimeter to 45 centimeter. Span distance 4 meters. More than 2.5 meters span strengthened joined by herringbone shuttering. Say herringbone shuttering देना पड़ेगा. This is what is the next देखना. This is joist. A span 4 meters. The span is how much? Span distance 4 meters. This is a 4-meter span. The joist. ये joist का दोनों का बीच में कितना गैप देना पड़ेगा? उधर 30 सेंटीमीटर to 45 सेंटीमीटर देना चाहिए. So more than 2.5 meters is a herringbone. It is called a central support दिया ना, that is a herringbone. Support is required. This is single joist floor. Double joist wooden floor. This type of floor stronger than single joist. Span distance 4 to 8 meters. In intermediate support called binder. Binders are usually placed at the center distance of 1.75 to 2.5 meters. Double joist wooden floor. 4 to 8 meters. 4 to 8 meters. This is called a span. So 4 meter or 8 meter तो joist is there. दोनों joist के बीच में gap है 300 मिलीमीटर लेने में. इसका दोनों बीच में इसे सपोर्ट देना चाहिए. This is called a binder. This is called a binder. Okay. Next triple joist or framed wooden floor. Suitable for span more than 7.5 meters. It consists of floorboards, binders, griders, and a bridging joist. Central distance of width 2.5 meters to 3 meters. What are the parts in triple joist? Floorboard. It is for covering the board. It's a floorboard or binder and a grider and a bridging joist. This is a triple joist चित्र है. The span is 7.5 millimeter, more than 7.5. Actually, it is a brown color or a binder. This is a blue color is a grinder. After पूरा placing करने के बाद इधर cover करने पे इधर board. This is triple joist part. What are the wooden? There are three types of wooden floor: single joist, double joist, frame type. Next roof. Roofs, which is constructed in the form of framework. Roof is constructed in the form of framework, give the protection to building from rain or heat or wind and slope. Types of roof: pitched or sloping roof, flat or terraced roof, or curved roof. But we discuss only pitched or sloping roof. Flat and terraced roof say RCC is a flat, concrete is a banana, that is called. It's a curved roof also sheet or pink sheet or any cloth or it's a bamboo, it's a curved roof. But we are discussing about pitched or sloping roof. It's a type of pitched roof: single roof, double or purling roof, clustered roof. Single roof. The single roof में different designs are there, types are there. Say lean-to roof. Lean-to roof, the span below 5 meters. Span is below 5 meters. Uses veranda और हाउस एक्सटेंशन वर्क. ये चित्र देखने का आप लोग समझ जाते हैं. बिलो 5 मीटर स्पैन. This is called a lean to roof. Just extend the next couple roof. A common rafter slope upward from the opposite wall to meet the middle of the ridge piece. Used where the span 3.5 length up to 3.5 meters. For this, below 5 meters, it's up to this, but it is only say this is a wall. This is only one meter, but in this there is a two walls. It's a big one. The couple roof. It's a couple close roof. This is similar to couple roof. In additional, tie beam is connected end of the common rafter. This used to span up to 4.5 meters. But देखना इधर इसका बीच में एक पीस दिया जाए, but इसमें नहीं है. It is a couple close roof. Collar beam roof. The collar beam is raised and placed at the higher level of roof. This is used where the span length 4.75 meters. This is a collar tie. This is a collar tie. A collar beam roof. Next, double or purling roof. The roof consists of a rafter and a purling. The purlings give the intermediate support to the common rafter. Used for span distance from 4.5 meters to the roof consists of a rafter and a purling. Purlings give the intermediate support to the common rafter. Used for the span distance from 4.5 meters to 5 meters. The purling is the reason that this is called purling support. It is called a rafter. The ridge piece. This is the support is a purling. It is collar beam wall. Okay. Double or purling roof. Double or purling roof. The roof consists of a rafter and a purling. Purling give the intermediate support to the common rafter. Used at the span distance from 4.5 to 5 meters. It is double purling roof. Double or purling roof. Next, trusted roof. The span exceeds 4.8 meters when there when there are no inside support, walls or partition for the purlin. The frame structure are called trusses. There is a two truss roof, king post truss, queen post truss. It is called a king post truss. The center of the post of truss is known as a king post. It consists of following parts: tie beam, two inclined principal rafter, and two throat suitable for span varying from 5 to 8 meters span. 5 meters to 8 meters span. वहाँ पे ये वाला किंग पोस्ट यूज कर सकते हैं. एक्चुअली किंग पोस्ट मीन इसे सेंटर सपोर्ट, इसे टाई बीम, इसे वॉल इसे बीच में इसे टाई बीम इधर from tie beam to इसे रिज बोर्ड से सपोर्ट बीच में एक सपोर्ट है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए किंग पोस्ट. इधर है पर्लिन, कॉमन राफ्टर, वाला प्रिंसिपल राफ्टर, वॉल प्लेट, स्टोन टेम्पलेट. इधर है सपोर्ट, दो सपोर्ट दिया, इधर इसका फ्रूट से पर्लिन क्लीट में सपोर्ट दिया. किंग पोस्ट ट्रस. King post span varying from 5 to 8 meters. The king post structure, this is called a purlin block. It's a purlin. Yeah, it is called a suit. It is called a king post. It's a tie beam. It is called a tie beam. Next, queen post truss. They have two vertical members called the queen post. Upper end of this post connected by beam is called staining beam. Uses span varying from 8 meters to 12 meters. 8 meters to 12 meters span. What are there is a two. This one called the queen post. इसे टाई बीम है, और इसका भी ऊपर वाला नेम है स्टेनिंग बीम. नीचे वाला टाई बीम है, ऊपर वाला स्टेनिंग बीम है. इट इज कॉल्ड क्वीन पोस्ट है. इट इज कॉल्ड स्टूट है. इसे प्रिंसिपल राफ्टर है, कॉमन राफ्टर है. द पार्ट्स ऑफ क्वीन पोस्ट ट्रस. It is called a queen post structure. Okay, next. Okay, only 45 minutes. Staircase. The next topic is a staircase. The staircase image is there. There are different noting, crossed string, base rail, baluster, level post, handrail, cut string, carriage, thread, racer, blocking, step, wall, string. The parts of the racer. So what are the next staircase? The step. What is a step? A combination of thread and a racer. A combination of thread and a racer is called a step. This is a racer. This is a thread. दोनों का there is a racer thread. इधर a racer. A combination of a thread and a racer is called a step. It is a space of stay which permits an ascent and a descent. Ascent and a descent. And a thread, the horizontal upper portion of a step up. On the step, the foot is placed while ascending or and a descending. This is called red. The horizontal plate. We are placing the foot. That is called red. Riser, the vertical or front member of the step, providing a support of the thread. Thread support के लिए. Or front member of the step. That is called a riser. Step means combination of thread and riser. Thread means it's a setup of on the step the foot is placed while ascending and descending. Riser is a vertical member or front member to support the thread. Okay. Next, flight. The flight is defined as unbroken series of steps between the landing from floor to landing. That is a one flight. From floor to it's a landing. Some landing is there. Yeah, after landing, it will go straight, or after landing, it will left turn or right turn or U-turn. That is called flight. One another. The flight is defined as an unbroken series of steps between the landing. The landing. What is landing? The horizontal platform between two flights of stair is called landing. From a single flight is a double flight is from floor to one, or from floor to first floor, in between the one landing will come or without come. Okay, the landing facilities help. What is the landing facilities? The help to change of direction. After landing, it will go straight or left turn or right turn or U-turn. It helps to change direction and it gives an opportunity to take a rest. After landing, we can take a rest. The use of stairs by person. Right. This is the vertical distance between two successive threads. That is two threads successive. That is the total is called rise. Going. This is the horizontal distance between the two faces of two consecutive risers. Two risers. This is one riser is one riser. Is a bit that is called going. Nosing, the projection part of the thread beyond the face of riser. It is usually rounded off the shape. It is a step for keeping foot, but in some projection is there. This is off-rounded. That is called the nosing. The thread is the corner with off-rounding. That is the nosing. Scotia. This is an additional finishing or molding provided to the nosing or thread to improve the elevation of step and to provide strength to the nosing. There is a thread, it's a razor, between it's a gap is there. In gap, we can give the corner beading to improve the aesthetic, good look. That is called a scotia. Soffit, the under surface of stair is called soffit. Under surface of stair. Under surface stair, the under surface is called a soffit. It is generally covered with a ceiling or finished with a plaster. Pitch, an angle of inclination of the stair with the floor is called a pitch. It also indicates the angle which the line of nosing makes the horizontal. An angle of inclination of the stair with the floor. Angle that is called a pitch. Angle. String or stringers, the inclined member of stair which support the end of the along a slope or stair. This is called a string. It is the support feature. cut string. It is there cut there. Cut. There is a two string or a string. Strings are in two types. Cut or open string. The upper edge is cut away to receive the ends of steps. Closed or housed string. The end of steps are housed between straight parallel edges of the string. It is open means steps other right thread we can say the other they sector, but the closed or housing order we can we cannot see the steps are there. Next run. The total length of stairs in horizontal plane and it includes length and landing also. The run is a total length of the stair. Total length of the naval post. This is the vertical member which is placed at the end of flight to connect the ends of string and naval post. This is called this starting piece. This is called the naval post. This is a vertical member which is placed at the mid of flight to connect the end of string and the handrail. To connect the end of string and the handrail connect करने string connect करने के लिए vertical member. Next है baluster. This is a vertical member which is fixed between string and the handrail to give the support to the handrail. This is a baluster. 1, 2, 3 pieces. This is a supported piece. This is a vertical member. The vertical member simply square pieces are there or design pieces are there. Next, handrail. The sloped or inclined rail over thing known as handrail. It is generally molded and some form of handrail. There is a plain handrail is there or some design handrail is there. That is a molded. The serves as a good rail and it should be provided at a convenient height. From thread to the handle पकड़ने के लिए some convenient height देना पड़ेगा. So to give the grasp the hand during ascent, तो ऊपर जाने के लिए और नीचे आने के लिए. Head, the vertical distance between thread and the overhead structure or a ceiling. Header, it is a horizontal structure member supporting straight string and landing. The vertical distance, head means the vertical distance between the thread and overhead structure. The land structure, which is called the head, and then with the horizontal structural member supporting straight string. That is called header. Okay, next time is over. But what are the types of staircases? Straight, turning straight, circular straight, geometrical straight, dog-legged straight, open navel straight, spiral straight. Only we can images only. This is a straight staircase, the turning staircase. This is spiral or circular staircase. This is a geometrical staircase. This is called a spiral staircase. There is a wood, there is a metal. This is a geometrical, all type of geometrical. This is called half turn staircase. The dog leg staircase. The open navel staircase. Open navel means either दो naval post दिया था, इधर और naval post इधर, इधर और naval post इधर. Some is a naval post without a naval post is available. Say quarter turn staircase. It's a three-quarter turn. Three-quarter turn. 1, 2, 3. Quarter turn straight gate. Okay.